Not the match done, send the money now, yeah, the cash up for hands on. Hustle like that, the get it from my grandpa. Same way we do it and I fuck up the platform.
Not the match like Marlon, box down a boy, him fi have sense.
Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Vybz Kartel and Mavado have shown mutual love and respect for each other. This is a legendary moment in dancehall history. These two icons came from Bounty Killer Alliance camp, but after a split, their rivalry led to one of the most significant clashes in dancehall history, Gaza versus Side. Now for years, fans believe that these two might never share the stage again, especially when Alkaline team up with Mavado to diss Vybz Kartel. However, despite their, the past rivalry and everything, the respect between Kartel and Mavado remains strong, with Mavado always showing respect and admiration for Vybz Kartel while Vybz Kartel was incarcerated.
I want to talk to you about now that the steel that sharpens your steel is out on the streets. Now we get to see.
My steel.
Now we get to
sound
see.
Good. No man, that sound good. Man. No steel or sharp my steel.
That sound good. You don't play no games, gully
man.
side.
Cooler man. We know what you mean, man, but you don't know, as we say, you don't know Gaza boss step on the road again. Man. You don't know gully side there. You see me, so you don't know all the thing going on. It's been a long time since the G Indian him come out, so
yeah.
Everybody glad to see that.
Everybody,
so,
including you.
Yeah, man, I mean for sure. After you don't know, you see. Remember we're street youth and I see him struggling, you see me?
All the time.
Now, in an interview, Mavado stated that he preferred not to discuss his son's legal case after he was asked about it.
Your son in Jamaica. Yeah. You said,
yeah, well, you
know, talking to the youth.
Yeah, we don't know certain things we can't
talk,
but we just want to talk about the show. And make the people them know, say, yeah, that will come for deal with you.
Second thing,
he preferred to focus on his performance for the night. Now, Kartel, however, had publicly supported Mavado's son's Dante, calling for Dante release.
They are shot the nightclub, you hear that? And one thing I can say, free Cairo, free Dante. Dan Gagan is so forward, man, you know that. Up to the time. Now hear this.
Now, Vybz Kartel's support for Mavado was evident when Vybz Kartel requested Mavado's songs being played at the party, because no Mavado song was being played and Vybz Kartel said, yo, play Mavado song. Now Kartel go back at the club again and Kartel do money pull up for Mavado's song. Now, I want people to understand that this newfound unity is a significant moment in dancehall history, because Kartel and Mavado, despite their years of rivalry, continue to show mutual respect for each other, with Vybz Kartel saying fully gully side for life. Now, the magnitude of this unity might be overlooked by some people, but I want people to understand the immense importance, because both artists, as I said, are icons of the genre, with their legacies permanently stitched into the history of dancehall, and their influence, the Gaza and the Gully War dominated the genre for years, and many of us fans can remember those days because we witnessed the rivalry firsthand, including myself. Now, remember, during the peak of Kartel and Mavado clash, their influence was felt throughout the entire Jamaica, with, as I said, them dominate the street, the schools. Everything was Gaza or Gully. You either say Gaza or you either say Gully. Now, shortly after the clash kind of died down just a bit, Vybz Kartel changed his image, and then shortly after that went to prison, and the rest is history. We not have to go back into that again. But I just want to say this: if Vybz Kartel and Mavado were to collaborate on a song, it would be undoubtedly become one of the greatest or the biggest hit song in dancehall history, because we know Kartel work ethic is unmatched, and Mavado has the consistency, and that chemistry between both of them, even when them in a war, to know, because Vybz Kartel and Mavado do have a song together, whether you know it or not. You see me? So definitely I'm looking forward for this unity between Vybz Kartel and Mavado, and definitely looking forward for this song, because as I said, it will be one of the biggest songs in dancehall history, and I cannot wait for it. Alright, so check out a bit more of Mavado interview.
from a long time, you know. It's
Yeah.
good that you're back here. Finally, we get you back in Guyana. Are you excited about getting on that main stage?
Yeah, man, definitely, man. That's why we're there here, man. We're there from yesterday and from last night. And, yeah, man. So, you know, for instance, fly over and there like 2-3 days before, you know, say.
You ready?
Yeah, man. I'm ready.
And also Mavado performance at the Guyana show.
Everybody want to run summer? We are done summer. We are summer. We are. Who there? Turn it up.
Alright, so that was the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subscribe. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the comments. As always, I am out.